when we lose someone, when someone dies, they're gone forever. And there is nothing that we can do to bring them back. Searching for a yellow bird, anything to stop the hurting, listening for a certain word, anything to ease the burden. I hope they are somewhere listening. Sometimes it just seems uncertain. I hope that you can hear me now. And if you can, I'll love you, I'll miss you. I'd do anything just to see you. We're okay, but we're not the same. Can you tell me, do you hear me? Can you hear me? I'm begging for a yellow bird. Maybe then I'll know you hear me. I'm listening to every word, to every song you ever showed me. I hope that you're somehow listening. Sometimes I can almost feel you. I hope that you can hear me now. And if you can, I love you, I'll miss you. I'd do anything just to see you. We're okay, but we're not the same. It plays for you a love song. If you hear me, you can sing along. I love you, I miss you. I'd do anything just to see